Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the one of the most debate topic in Excel, VLOOKUP versus XLOOKUP. If you have ever struggled with VLOOKUP formula or wonder which one is a better, this video will clear it up and for all. Let's start with the classic VLOOKUP. So here, let's type the VLOOKUP formula. Okay, after applying VLOOKUP, it is asking for the lookup array. So we have here lookup array as a name, okay, comma, and now I have to select the table array. So here we have a table array. Let's select this table array, comma. Now it's asking call index number. It means column index number. So column index number cause of I need revenue. So revenue is available in column 1, 2, and 3 in third column. So we will type here third, comma. Now what we need to approximate match or a false exact match. So I need exact match. So we will select exact match, tab, and close the bracket and hit enter. So now here we have a VLOOKUP formula and we got the perfect revenue for Elena. Okay, but it has been around for a decade and help you found the data vertically because of our data is available in vertical form. But it has some limitation. It is only looks to write the can break when column move and does not handle missing value generally or gracefully. So now meet the modern hero XLOOKUP. It is a smarter, faster, and more flexible. It can look both left and right, both the formula, okay, and so that the difference between lookup and XLOOKUP, old school versus next generation Excel power. So let's apply here XLOOKUP formula equal XLOOKUP. Select. Now it's asking for the lookup value. Lookup value is Elena, and then apply comma. Now I have to select lookup array. So lookup array we have here the name, comma, and now what we need in return. So I need revenue, okay. So let's select the revenue which is available in column F and close the bracket and hit enter. So if you found, so which one is a better, so if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below which one is used more often, and do not forget to check out my other Excel tutorial for advanced formula and dashboard tricks. Thank you.